Go-to-market professionals, if you want to be memorable, make your target persona smile. And if you want to be memorable and relevant, make them smile about a painful challenge which you can eliminate, and trust is going to follow. I would tell you guys a dirty joke, but no one wants to hear about the data in your CRMs. That's boom.
Thank you.
If your team struggles to start or have meaningful conversations with prospects, the process of crafting humor to specifically make your target persona smile will force your reps to master the business acumen they need to increase their subject matter expertise. Comedy Writing for Revenue Team workshops, these breakout groups pooling their knowledge, insights, and creativity around your target persona and their objectives, what problems you solve for them, and how those problems and the impacts of not solving them prevent them from reaching those objectives. The process also forces them to let go of buzzwords and express themselves in simple, relatable language, exercise creative muscles, learn the mechanics of how humor works.
Putting together a printed program is more frustrating than
adopting a cute puppy, no?
Create impactful, memorable messaging that paints powerful pictures for your prospects, and they may even wind up with hyper-relevant humor that will make your prospect say, hey, this company gets me.
An RDBMS is like Darth Vader, big in the 70s, easily corrupted, and terrible at relationships.